Did you know a father once raised a knife to kill his own son, and this moment changed history forever? Abraham had waited 100 years for his promised child Isaac. The boy was everything to him. Then God spoke the unthinkable command, "Take your son and sacrifice him on Mount Moriah." Abraham's heart must have shattered, but he obeyed. For 3 days they walked toward the mountain. Isaac carried the wood for his own sacrifice, not knowing he was the offering. "Father, where is the lamb?" Isaac asked. Abraham's voice trembled. "God will provide." At the altar, Abraham bound his son. Isaac didn't resist. The knife rose high above the boy's chest. One strike would end everything. But suddenly an angel's voice thundered, "Stop! Do not harm him!" A ram appeared, caught in nearby thorns. God had provided the substitute. This moment established the pattern that would echo through all of history. Faith tested to its breaking point. Substitutional sacrifice. A father willing to give his son. The template was set for humanity's ultimate rescue.